Hi friends, my name is Aqil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial we will see how to work with the views in SQL Server. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will see how to create a view, and then we will see what will happen if we update, delete or insert data directly to the view in SQL Server, like whether it will update the data in the main table on which it is created, or it won't update any data in the table, or the data will be updated in the view only. So we'll see in this particular video. So without wasting further time, let's jump to the demo. So I got this particular table in the school database. I got a car table. Okay, so first of all, let me try to create a view on this particular table, and then we'll see updating the view, and we'll delete some records from the view as well, and we'll insert some records to the view, and then we will see what will happen to the actual table. So car is a table in this particular case. Okay, so to create a view we can write create view and then the name of the view. So I can call the view maybe as vw underscore car as, and I can select all records from the car table. So I can do select star from car. So if I execute this particular query, so the view got created vw underscore car, and if I expand the school database and if I expand the views, so there is a view here vw underscore car. Okay, so if you want to see the create view statement, so you can right click script view as and then create to. So if you want to see the create statement, then you can do the create to, or if you want to see the alter view statement, then you can write the alter to, and the alter view statement will be generated. Okay, so this is the alter view statement. Okay, so now what I want to do, I have a view now. Okay, so if I want to select the data from the view, so I can write the query like select star from view vw underscore car. So right now the data is same between the table because there are same records, 10 records in the table. As you already know that views are the virtual tables. Views are the virtual tables, and they do not store any actual data in themselves. Okay, they are basically the stored queries, and underlying they are using the main table. So now if I select the data from the view, so it contains 10 records. Okay, now suppose if I update some data from the view, or if I delete some data from the view, so will that data be deleted from the main table or not? Okay, that we will see. So in the SQL Server table, it contains 10 records. Okay, and the 10 records are available in the view as well. Now let me try to delete some records from the view. So I can write a query delete from vw underscore car. Okay, I can press Ctrl Shift R so that it can actually refresh the metadata of the objects in the database vw underscore car, where, so I want to delete the records where the first name is null. So for these two records the first name is null, so I want to remove those two records where first name is null. Okay, so this way it will delete two records from the view. So let me execute the query. So you can see that the two records got affected, means two records got deleted. So now if I select the data from the view, so it contains 8 records. Okay, so the records got deleted from the view, and now let me check the data in the table. So if I check the data in the table, so it actually deleted the records from the table as well. Okay, so if you do any kind of delete operation on the view, then it will actually delete the data from the table as well. Okay, so that was a surprise for me when I started working. So I thought if I update the data or delete the data in the view, then it won't update the data in the table, but that was not the case. So now let me try to update the data on the view, and we'll see whether it will update the data in the table or not. So right now if you look at the gender column, so they are in the small case. Okay, in both of them they are in the small case. So now let me try to update the data and set the data to gender in the uppercase. So I can write the update statement like update vw underscore car set gender equal to upper and then gender. Okay, So this way I can execute this particular query, and it has updated the data to the view vw underscore car, 8 rows affected. Now let me recheck the data in the view. So the data got updated to the uppercase. And now let me check the data in the SQL table. So in the table as well, the data got updated to the uppercase. So it means if we do the delete or update or even insert that, then in all those cases the table is actually getting affected as well. Now let me try to insert one record into this particular table. So right now we have 8 records in the view and the same 8 records in the table as well. Now let me try to insert a record into the view. So I can write the query insert into vw underscore car, select id 10, and first name I can write maybe Akil Ahmad, okay, and gender male, and then the car, although I don't have a car at the moment, but maybe I can write BMW, okay. I can write anything. I don't need to pay anything for that. And the color I can write maybe white, okay. And the company I can write right now, the company is ABC, okay. So now I can execute this particular query. So the query ran fine and it has inserted one record into the view. So now if I select the data from the view, so yeah, the record got inserted here, but the record got added in the middle, although the data got inserted, and now you can see the 9 records in the view. And if I select the data from the table, so you can see that record here as well. So the record got inserted to the view as well and to the table as well. However, when I'm selecting the data from the view, so this ID is coming in the middle. Ideally it should come at the end, okay. So this is a view, so I can modify this view, okay. So I can right click, alter to new query window, okay, and then in the end I can put an order by. So I can do order by ID, okay. So this way the data should be sorted based on the ID. So I can execute this one. So this is saying the order by clause is invalid in the views inline functions unless top or offset is also specified, okay. So here maybe I can select like top, very long number like 1 billion or something. So right now this is 30, then 30, and 100 million. So this is 1 billion now, okay. So I can do like select top 1 billion star from car order by ID, okay. So now it should work. So the view got updated now, okay. And now if I will select the data from the vw underscore car, then the data should be sorted in the proper order, in the order of the ID. So now I can select the data from the vw underscore car, and now you can see that the data got sorted in the ascending order of the ID. Yeah, so this was about like working with the view. So you can actually update the data as well to the view, you can delete the data, you can insert the data as well to the view. But when you do those kind of operations, then it actually updates the source table on which the view is created. Yeah, so I think that's it for today's video, and I will share the create table statement for the car and for all these views as well, and the update or delete queries. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.